So, with just 6 days left until the 19th of October on our big split screen van build, just going to go talk you through some of the panels it looks like we're going to have to replace just from looking on the top. As you can see, this front panel has been cut off and silicone back on. Very beautifully, I might add. And around the windows do look like they've been sealed on as well. So from Schofield we've got our window repair sections. The front panel, to be honest, came in the van when we got it, so I'm not sure where that's came from. Lower front repair panel, very good quality again from Alan Schofield. And looks like Schofield supply Autocraft's rear arch panel, so that's just from what we can see on the surface. Fingers crossed there's no more hidden gems in there. So we're going to be doing live feeds via Instagram and Facebook. So at the end of each day, we're going to be doing a wrap-up video, which will be a YouTube video, which you can watch via the website.
But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.